Guys, it's Yasin from Excel Electricians. Today I'll be showing you how easy and quick you can replace one of these dimmer switches with this nice shiny dimmer switch. You remove this bit here off, and then you remove the front cover because we got screwless dimmer switch. As you can see, this cover covers the screws. We'll leave that to the side. Of course, before taking this dimmer switch, you make sure you isolate the supply by turning off the fuse box for if you want to be safe for the entire house. But please make sure, if you're not confident, don't do something like that. If you've got any doubts, you can consult one of our electricians. All right, let me just show you how to remove it. You need a flat screwdriver, and all what you do, you remove the screws. In this case here, this old dimmer switch had only one screw. Now what we got is these cables here. It's already coming off. One wire is for the light, and these two wires, they are loop. And just advise you, before removing it, make sure you take a picture of it. That way you can go back and look how they were connected before. All right, let's remove these two wires. These two wires, they have to stay together. And then that one stays there. Dimmer switch. I don't know if you can see here, we got common and the L1 and the L2. Let me just swap it around and you can see L1, L2. Now the cable, one cable goes either to L1 or L2, and the two cables, they will go into the common. Right, let me show you. That's it. Sometimes it's a bit difficult to get two wires in, but eventually they will go in. You can see still came off a bit. Let me just push it a bit more. It's a bit fiddly sometimes. There we go, that's nice and solid. And now the one wire, what we got here, that goes to either of the terminals, which is, I pick usually L1, and nice and tight. Now what you got to remember about this, the old dimmer switch, it was a plastic. Now because this is a metal front plate, you have to make sure you earth the front plate of the switch. Here, someone just left the wires there because he didn't need them first. Now what we got to do, as you can see, we got a terminal there for the earthing. I will take this apart like that. I've got my earth in here. I'm going to twist the wires together. I'll get my flat screwdriver and I'll make sure we put that earth in the terminal. Like that. Now we know this front plate is definitely earthed. Just slowly. Good. Our screws supplied with dimmer switch on this side and on the other side. There we go, make sure nice and level. Then you get your cover on and the knob back on, like that. There we go. That's how easy and quick you can replace one of these dimmer switches. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.